Okay, folks, today we're going to look at car products. As you can see here, it's a quick effect coating agent. Sounds really exciting, but it's meant to be like a spray-on polish ceramic type coating that's meant to clean this up, make it shine like new, and the water just runs away. So that's what we're going to try. We've got this little bottle. I thought it was going to be bigger, but we've got Ray Hong quick effect coating agent. So I don't know what's in it. It must be 4 fluid ounces or 120 mils. How exciting. Get this on Amazon. So we're going to try just spray a little bit on, see does it work, and maybe if we got it to on position. Oh, there we go. Right. So we put it on, we rub it in. And hopefully this will be shiny like new. Doesn't look a wild bit of difference when you're looking from this angle, but again we'll try the water test on it and see. Okay, yes, there's a wee bit shinier. It's good. Now, here's what we're going to do now. Apparently you put this on, it just blows away, so let us see. Okay, it looked much better in the video, but in fairness, yes, the water does run off it. But then again, here's a bit it didn't do. And look, the water runs away off it too. So I don't know. I'll have to try another bit somewhere else, somewhere clean, on another wing just to see. But for now, it looks to be okay. I'm not overly excited, but I just, when the video you see the part that you done and the dirty part of the wing, and it just is so different. But here, not so much. So it's maybe a decent polish, but nothing as exciting as the video showed. But we'll try it again some other time and see. Thanks for now.